boy. Uh, all right, how are you guys? I am going to place this one myself. How are you? I'm going to wait for everybody to join. Show all USD CAD. Where are you? Oh yes, USD CAD. Can't find it. What the fuck is the USD CAD here? Shites, shoots, Shih Tzu. All right, so how are you guys? I hope everybody's doing well. Good morning, team. Good morning, Nanad. Yeah, I'm just looking for the USD CAD here on my MT5. Can't find it. Show all. Yeah. So, USD fucking Canadian dollar. All of this, here you go. USD CAD. There you go. All right, so I'm going to place this trade and then send it to my VIPs. This is an F1 strategy trade. Boom, ba. All right, so give me a good morning. Candlestick, and I hate it when I have the grid. I don't want the grid. All right, so placing this trade here on the USD CAD, I am going to oh. All right, so let's be quick about this because we are about to rock. Rock, I said. We are about to rock this. All right, so my entries here are the 133. I'll do this. And the stop loss here for 27 pips. So here is the sell stop. I accept the conditions. Sell stop. And of course, 33.83. 133.83. Let's see how much I'm risking here. So this is a tenner, 0.5%. I am sending this as a free F1 strategy. Hold the fuck on. Free F1 strategy signal. So it's a sell stop at the 133 53 1.3358. It's I'm taking about a 0.5% risk here on this live account. It's a $2,200 account. 133.80 stop loss. 133.85. Here we go. And a TP. I'm not close to trade goal. In time is now -4. What should I do? I don't know. I don't know, man. That Olympia will and my targets are the 133 because I want to get filled on my targets. So 133. Hold on. 1.33. Modify. Oh, I need to send this. Hold on. TP 1.33. Risk 0.5%. Right there. 133. So, time frames. Uh-huh. 133. It's a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, so it's a 2R. 2R. I'm fine with a 2R. Free F1 strategy. I'm sending this to all groups because I am that particularly good. I mean, not good, but yes, I am good looking, but it's not because of that. All right, so questions about this trade. Aren't you concerned about the news from Bank of Canada? Oh boy, let me see. I didn't. Let's have a look at the Forex Factory calendar. If so, at 10 a.m. So it's about in 2 hours. So it's that's a good, great question, and that. So nine. It's about in an hour, right? I'm gonna give this trade. I mean, this is to trade the open, mate. Right. So this is to trade the open. I am going to give this trade some room for the New York Open. You know, the New York Open. The New York Open. What? The New York Open volume, and then I'm gonna close it very quickly, just before the news out of the Bank of Canada. You know, let me record that video. All right, hello traders, how are you? So this is a free F1 strategy setup. Remember that we have, thank you Nenad for pointing that out. We have the Bank of Canada monetary policy statement. So this trade is basically just an F1 strategy setup. It is an F1 strategy setup. I'm going to explain it to you. And the reason that I'm taking it on a Bank of Canada day is because I want to trade the open volume, right? The New York Open volume. So I'll be quick with this one. Basically, what I'm doing here, I am looking at the trend in this market. The trend in this market is bearish, right? Even though you might think that the past couple of sessions have been not trending, they have, right? From the highs that it printed here on Friday, we got a lower high, and then we got an inside session yesterday. So basically what I'm doing here, mates, is trying to trade the continuation on this setup, on a true divergence setup using the F1 strategy. So let's wait and see what happens. Bank of Canada today, so be careful with it. I'll be quick to close it after the open. Right, sending this to all other groups too. All right, so let me just send this to all the groups too. All right, so I'm just sending this, and I will go through. I will go through. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna send this to all of the groups too. Right, so just end the recording and I'll be back with you guys. Oh yes, send, uh, send, send. Right. So how is everybody doing? Uh-uh. Send. We're gonna go through all of this. I do have a couple of liquidity spots that I wanna go with through with you. So here we go. Here's gold. I am looking at Olympus Gold short. I think got triggered, right? Um, I don't see them either. I don't know, but all right. So basically, let's get rid of this MT5. Gold. I am looking for shorts in gold, mate. Not just liquidity grabs at the top. There's tons of imbalance here. It's a ton of imbalance. So I'm looking for shorts here on gold, but higher, right? To me, if you look at what has happened right now, uh, the London session broke with the Asian session highs, and the pre-market in New York has broken with the London session lows. I'm sorry, lows. Everything is lows, right? And if you notice here, this is just pure, pure liquids. There you go. I am going to actually use this and put on my dollar signs. This is just liquidity, mates. And yeah, I am looking to trade that. Save as. Right, so here, to me this is just liquidity, right? There is a ton of imbalances here. And we have, let me see, bearish OBs. I'm going to use a 10 pivot length. Uh-huh. There you go. So we have all of this imbalance left to be filled, guys. And what I'm doing here, this is a 7-minute chart. Let's go to a 3-minute chart, right? If we go to a 3-minute chart, you can see that there's a couple of things. There's a couple of zones that we could be actually trading. Bearish OB3. There you go. Now, there's a couple of zones that I'm interested in trading. Now let's do that. Let's do that analysis, right? Let's do that analysis on the 5-minute chart. There you go. And, I mean, there is so much imbalance here left to be filled that it's crazy. But you know, here's the thing, right? If that is the last sweep of the highs, let's start by looking at this market correctly, right? If that is the last sweep of the highs, my friend, if that is the last sweep of the highs right here, boom, then this is where the market changes its character, right? That is all the imbalance that created that change in character left to be filled. Left to be filled. We got that break of the structure here with that true, with a true lower low, and we got another break of the structure here. So this market is very bearish. Very bearish. Let's trade with the trend. Let's not try to be heroes here. And let's trade with the fucking trend. Right? So where am I going to be trading now? Here's the, I'm not interested in these imbalances right here, these inefficiencies at all. Now, we have that order block right here at the top of this move. But again, just look at all of this space right here. God damn it. So basically, I'm going to wait and see what happens here. I need to wait. I'm not going to blindly put a sell limit here. I just need to wait and see how price reacts to this, right? Now this is, I'm going to flag it. I'm going to flag it burning red. The market opens in about, you know, in about 8 minutes, so 7 minutes. So let's wait and see what happens. Let's have a look at some US equities. Now, if you noticed yesterday, guys, this was what I was looking on for the NASDAQ, right? An entry around these levels with stop losses. Of course, I didn't take this trade, right? I did not take that trade. I did not take that trade, and to be honest, I'm looking for shorts on the Nasdaq. Let's check everything here. I'm gonna uncheck everything. This is green, blue because I have a possible trade on. Not the Nasdaq. All right, not the Nasdaq. Let's have a look. I mean, if we look at the S&P 500 on the 15-minute chart, we are here at that particular moment in time that I was looking at yesterday for possible longs, right? So I'm going to wait for the open just to see how volume enters the market. We don't. I mean, we only have crude oil inventories, and in about so in about 30 minutes we have the Bank of Canada monetary policy report. Remember, I am just looking to trade the open with this F1 strategy setup. So this basically is going to be a very quick trade, right? Let's wait and see what happens. It is US dollar driven. So let's wait and see what happens. So on the US dollar, on the S&P 500 side, if you notice, price did print a new lower low just below that order block. So basically, I am. There's a couple of things that I want to do here. I do want to go short, and here we have a possible good entry short. And as you can see, imbalances are not always immediately filled. So let's wait and see what happens, right? Now, again, we got the Asian session high sweep. Then price broke with the Asian session lows. This is the bull trap, and then now pre-market has broken with the London session highs, lows. I'm sorry. I think that this is going to be very trappy to try to short the market here. So I will be looking at a possible entry above this liquidity here around the Asian session lows. Stop losses just above this high. So basically, this is what I will be looking for. 390.93 with the stop losses here and the target. Let's have a look at the 15. I mean, there's a big zone here. I mean, this is the 50-minute liquidity that I will be targeting all of this, that liquidity here. So for a 5R, possibly 5R on the S&P 500, guys. 5 minutes. Let's wait and see what happens. Let's wait and see what happens with gold here. There you go. Gold spiking low. Wow. So very possibly, woo! Let's have a look at what. Well, if you have any questions, let me have a look at what you have here. All right, Orlando, you didn't share the instrument pair. Oh shit. USD CAD. Oh boy, damn it. You know, if you are a VIP, you are going to have to alert me every time I make these mistakes. I am highly dyslexic, and yeah, I mean, sometimes I forget. This week, no fundamental. The other more about what about Nasdaq? Maybe sweep the lows and go for the FVG at Rukatu. Why is there a gap between session indicator? Ah, the pre-market made. That is the pre-market. Uh, I don't know. So the Nasdaq maybe sweep the lows and go for that FVG where 11740. Yeah, this one right here. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Exactly, made on the Nasdaq. And on the S&P 500, let's have a look at, well, it's the same setup. If you notice, sweep of the highs, sweep of the Asian session highs, sweep of the Asian session lows, that bull trap, then bloom, we broke with the Asian session lows. We are at a very strong, order block here, bullish order block. Then, yeah, we have that fair value gap here on both markets. Let's have a look at which one gives the best risk to reward ratio. Actually, I'm gonna go with the S&P 500 myself. But actually, why don't we fucking look at which one gives the best risk to reward ratio? That should be my why or my trading decision about the structure high, boba on the 15 minute. That liquidity on the 15 minute right here. It's a 4.7, 4.6 R. So the S&P 500 yields the best risk to reward ratio. I'm gonna go with that. 4.6 and yeah, S&P 500. Woof. All right, the market is about to open. The market is open, guys. Blim, 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 fucking blim. Uh huh. Let's wait and see what happens, mates. Let's wait and see what happens. I'm gonna give this USD CAD. I'm gonna give this USD CAD free S1 strategy setup just about 20 minutes. Just about 20 minutes, right? Gold. That hitting that FVG, but I don't like the setup in gold. Let's have a look at Sliva. USD CAD. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna just go here, right? US dollar. I don't trade the USD Swiss franc, the Swissy, right? I am going to. It's very possible. Also, it's very possible that because it's the Bank of Canada day, that price is going to just chop around, which in that case, I just delete my pending order, right? There's no need to play the hero on important data. Wow, look at the USD CAD just chopping around. Very possibly will delete my order. Will give it. I thought that this. I thought that if I mean this was my reasoning, right, on that USD CAD. Yes, the US dollar currency index has been quite choppy also, but my thought was that if sellers managed to break with the London session lows, right, it would bring some kind of bearishness that would bring bearishness into the USD CAD, but apparently everybody's fucking asleep. All right, the GBP, the pound yen, um, um, bearish. The pound yen is bearish, of course, right? Have a look at the euro yen on the other hand, guys. What do you think about this? This actually might be a good sell setup here. I'm actually going to take this one. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Just have a look at this. Pretty nasty pretty nasty order block here. This is quite bearish, pretty nasty order block here. We only have a ton of licks. When I say licks, I'm talking about liquidity. All right, the fuck here. I don't know. Yep. So, I'm digging. I am. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? So, basically, this would be my very good friends, the actual trade, and it yields a fantastic risk to reward ratio if you notice here, right? On that liquidity strip, uh, my stop losses would be above these highs, above the structure highs always, and the targets right here for a 5 hour. I mean, it's hot. It is hot, my friends. So we're going to wait for this because I dig it. I am digging the hell out of that. Aussie yen. Oh man, my allergies are killing me. I don't have allergy medication anymore. Yeah, we're going down, down, baby. GBP CAD. Yeah, I'll probably be deleting that USD CAD order. Uh, Mexican peso. I mean, the US dollar is just so fucked up right now. Just so utterly fucked up. I mean, untradeable. Gold. Gold hitting those notes of money. Oh, the US 100. Um, I'm looking here at that. Listen, guys, I don't know what to tell you, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm not completely in love with this, but I'll take it in any case, right? With half risk, maybe. Gold, gold is I mean, just have a look at this. I'll probably. I mean, I'm gonna put on an alert here, just so it alerts me when it hits that. Um, Actually, stopped. Yes. When it alerts me when it hits that level, and so I can decide what the fuck I want to do, right? Now, US 500 stripping the lows now, and aim for FBG 4000 plus. Yeah, exactly this. I mean, I know what you're talking about. Let's go to a 10 minutes. I mean, oh boy. Here, the 10 minute. Let's triple the low. This one, 4,000. I mean, yeah. Like I told you, I'm not gonna blindly put on a. I mean, when I, I will. All right, two things. Two things. My preferred area would be, in fact, I mean, I'm just looking at the 7 minute chart actually. My preferred area would be here, 39.93 shorts, right? Around the Asian session lows. Most definitely. 4,000. Did that FEG at 4,000, right? That fair value gap, maybe. No, actually, it's much better than 4,000 FEG. Now, I wouldn't trade the upside in this market at all, mate. Now that I noticed this, just tons of buy side liquidity. I'm just gonna wait, right? I am just going to wait and see what happens here. I'm going to take the entire stage. I'm not going in anywhere either. I am absolutely not going anywhere. So I'll be here throughout the Bank of Canada just to see the reaction in the Canadian dollar, right? I'll probably delete that order. I'll probably delete my pending order on the USD CAD right now. I've given it, I mean, I've given it enough time. I'm deleting it. I'm going to alert all the groups. I'm deleting my sell stops. Right. On to the next. Oh boy. Now that I've deleted my order on the USD CAD, it's sweeping the lows. But I am out. I mean, I already deleted it. My decision is made. No going back. There is absolutely no going back. Um, and I don't want to get trapped on high volatility, right? So I'm deleting that order. Now let's wait. Let's wait and see. You know what? I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee. Yeah, the USD CAD dropped, but I am not. I mean, just have a look at the time. It's 10 minutes. I mean, actually, I could. Um, and there's 40 minutes. 40 minutes until the Bank of Canada. But you know what? I'm not gonna. Oh, USD cancer. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna trade volatility, right? I mean, my idea, right? I'm gonna tell you. My idea was a. Oh boy. Right. My idea was a. Um. I'm sorry, I was just looking at this. So my idea was a short on the U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar, and an F1 strategy setup, right? But my idea was to trade the open volume, right, on a possible DXY triple lows that did not happen. So when this didn't happen, my trade idea was invalidated. Although the setup, technically speaking, was still valid, my trade idea, because it was a US dollar driven trade, was invalidated. So I have to delete my pending order. And I don't care if, the USD CAD starts to drop. My trading plan was already made in my head, so I have to follow it. That's just discipline. All right, gold, my friends. Hitting those or that big FVG, fair value gap. I am going to place that sell limit possibly here around the 1938 or so. Very, very nicely done, my friends. I'm gonna wait, of course. Actually, what I'm talking about, I was talking about possible shorts here at this liquidity sweep, but that again, this is just again more sell side liquidity. Um, yeah. Uh, this indicator is pretty cool, and if you, if you just have a look at that beautiful gold rally. If you struggle with finding high quality order blocks, this indicator is quite cool. Um, Shit, weak. There you go. Uh, the volume pivot length, the higher you go, the less order blocks you're going to get because the stronger they are. What this indicator does, not only spots the order block, candlestick wise, but also it spots them, volume wise. So it also tells you which ones have been mitigated and which ones have not been mitigated, right? So it's pretty cool. Be careful when using it. I use it for confirmation of my own manual order blocks, right? Always use other people indicators only for confirmations, not for trading decisions, right? So pretty cool. So I'm gonna wait and see what happens here because this is quite a strong one. Yeah, very possibly. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Let's continue with the US at 100. There you go, 116. So, was the S&P 500. Uh, uh, why is it 12? Always fucking 12. All right, so there you go. But bum. Uh, remove drawings. Uh-huh. So here, uh, on the S&P 500 side, you always have to look at how that the market develops, right? Because the idea that you had earlier might not work out or might be invalidated later on. Remove drawing, right? Boom. So now I'm seeing a pretty slam dunk, a pretty fucking slam dunk, setup right here on the S&P 500. Um, Buy side liquidity and that fair value gap or that imbalance at the 39.93. I would put my stop losses above 39.99 or so. This order block. I dig it. Can you dig it? All right. Woof! Look at that USD CAD, and that is the volatility that I didn't want to trade. Right? Just have a look at that. Just have a look at that. Rami dropping, boom, back up, just to retest the daily lows. No, fuck that. You know what? I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee, guys. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. We're going to trade. I'm gonna make this a long session, so don't go anywhere. Yo, what's up? What the hell is up? Uh, which strategy do you trade? All right, so I trade. I trade two entry models. I trade the F1 strategy, right, and I trade an entry model that is based on liquidity, right, on liquidity grabs. FVG stands for fair value gap or imbalances, right? Now this, my friends, is the second entry model that I trade. It's not a strategy per se, but it's just one entry model that I trade. Uh-oh. Okay, man. All right. Maybe that alert was a little bit low. Right. So this is one entry model, right? Basically, what I look for is the trend in the market, right? Even though this is the 10-minute chart made, and it's very, very choppy, what I look for on the low is the lower time frames. On the 5-minute chart, you can see that this is the Asian session. Let me show you right here. This is the Asian session. This is the London session. And this is the fucking New York session. So, the trend in this market is low. It's bearish, I'm sorry. The London session swept with the Asian session lows, and the same thing with the New York Open right here. Then I look for liquidity, right? Liquidity are the spots where weak players have jumped in, and that they don't have absolutely nothing to be doing here. So basically, what I look here, if you notice, on the 3-minute chart, my entries are on the 3-minute chart. This is purely and utterly liquidity. The London highs right here. That liquidity has been swept with, right? Now, that is no longer liquidity, but I'll just add it so you can understand. And now price is mitigating that order block, the order block that so an order block is where orders started to pile up. So where orders, in this case sell orders, started to pile up, that created that in this case this break of this changing character, break of the structure, and created a fair value gap that was already being mitigated. And as you can see right here, I do have a possible short opportunity in gold. So I go to the 1-minute chart, and what I'm looking for is pretty simple. I'm not going to enter at market, right? I need confirmation that this is in fact a short. So what I want to see is a sweep of these lows, and then coming back towards this level. It needs to be created, though. It needs to be created. We do have an imbalance here that pretty awesomely has been created. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to explain to you step by step what I do, but yeah, you have an idea, right? Because, yeah. And then again, this is the same thing. Sweep of the lows, now, bear trap, boom. Weak players getting trapped on a bear trap. That's why you don't trade ever. You don't trade ever. Well, the session higher lows breakouts at the open of the next session ever. And now we have the sweep of the highs. Now, this is the bear trap. This is the fucking bear trap. Bear trap. Weak players getting trapped here. Then we have the sweep of the lows, of the highs, with that liquidity being mitigated, swept. I don't know, and that order block right here about to get mitigated. So this is a slam dunk short if it plays out, right? But the immediate bullish structure needs to break in order for it to be an extremely good high probability trade. Entering short here is in my opinion, mates, it's way too aggressive, right? It's way too aggressive. I have missed trades for not taking the aggressive side, but I much rather, miss the trade for not being aggressive enough than just look at this US dollar CAD. I should have, would have, could have, but you know what? When you have a trade plan in your head, you just follow it. Yeah, so we're going to wait and see. Gold is the one that I'm focusing on. and I had that. Oh boy, there. Have a look at this. And remember, this one I can get in on aggressively, actually on the euro yen. I will. D5. On this, I can get aggressive. Uh-huh. And I do dig that setup. Boom, 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 boom. Uh, yeah, so that's it, mate. Let's wait and see. Let's wait for that euro yen. I think that that equities are a no go for the time being. We don't know yet. Oh boy, look at this! Look at this! I mean, we have to be careful with here with gold. On the minute chart, there you go. So, this will be a 1 minute entry if it is at all a 1 minute entry, right? So we are going to wait for that triple of lows and for price to take out this lows, maybe even this lows, right? And then come back on a pullback. We will entry on a pullback short, right? So these are the two trades that I will be taking. This again. This is another trappy trap, the price action. Every time you see this is another trappy fucking trap, right here. Right here, people are about to get fucked. People that are eager to get in short in this market are about to get fucked because this is just, again, liquidity being built up at the same fucking levels. Right? I might be wrong, I might not be wrong, but the optimal trade is up above the 141, 40, 141 fucking 40. So let's wait for that. Let's wait for that. In the meantime, I am downloading a god damn it, a position size calculator for MT5. I do have one uh, a cap. So I do have a position size calculator app, for MT4. It works for MT5s too, but I need to download it and everything. So I am going to use ACAPS, position size calculator. Where the fuck is it? Oh yay! There you go. Come on. I'll be fucking goddamn. Uh, so, this is the one that I use. Uh, it's called riskcalculator.app. It's awesome. It's the best one. It's $10 a month. It's $10 a month. You know, um, it's the one that I use, but I have it for MT4. And starting today, mate. Starting today, we are. Well, this is a big announcement that I have for you guys. So starting today, the way that we are going to present our trading results are going to be by traders. So That's why I have now an MT5 account. Damn it, an MT5 account, and Olympio has one. So every single trader is going to present its results. Um, you know, separately. That's going to help you, just decide who. If you like the way that I trade better, or if you, let's call it, if you like the way that Olympia trades better, right? You might decide to only follow Olympia's trades, or just put on a normal risk on Olympia's trades and a lower risk on mine. So it's going to be very awesome because you're going to decide what to do. Eventually, we might develop an in-house copy trading for you to even do this automatically. But that's why I need to download. That's why I'm looking for position size calculators on MT5 because I have to um, I have to change all the metrics on my position size calculator on my risk calculator.app. So, you know what? I'll do this manually. All right, so let's wait and see what happens. And here's the reason that I don't enter aggressively here. Yep. I'm going to place this euro yen, right? This is the one that I'm going to just have a look at the USD CAD mates. Ah, all right. So because it's 1 minute until the, okay. All right. So let's go to the USD. Oh boy, USD CAD. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. All right. Big rally on the USD CAD. What? Possible shorts. So what happened here? Apparently they hiked their interest rates, right? So that's what, yeah, they hiked the interest rates. That is bearish for the Canadian dollar. We have that rally. I'm not gonna trade the USD CAD, of course. Just having fun with that. All right, so um, the minute. 1 minute entry. I am going to place this on a half risk, and this gold still waiting for the development of that particular entry. Euro yen, guys. Euro yen. Right. So I'm looking at the. Oh boy, there we go. Gulda. So what we can do here, and what I shall do here is this short position. I think I'm gonna miss this one just because. Yeah, possibly miss this one. 2R here. I'm gonna miss this short in gold because, or maybe not. I'll be back because I'm doing a ton of stuff on the other side. I know, sending VAP trades, placing VAP trades. The Canadian dollar's just hemorrhaging. Yeah. So on the Japanese yen side, let's go to the 1 minute chart. There you go. So my entry is here at the 141. Let's call it 141.43. 141.43. My stop loss is at the 141.55. 141.56. So I am going to place a sell limit. I have no idea how much my position size is. I'll eyeball it. So I think it's half. Fill or kill. That's right. Pending order by sell limit, guys. Sell limit at the 141 43. I'm going to volume 0. Boom. Stop loss at the 141.56. And targets here are the 140.80. 140.80. Boom. So this one is a little far. So I have to take profits. First take profit is at the 141.08. No, 141.10. 10. Oh shit. Right. So this is for about a 2R, 2.2R. So I'm sending this to my VIPs. Just hold on. Euro, Japanese yen. Sell limit is on the 141 dot what 43. Stop loss at the 141.56, 141.56. TP1. God damn it! I need a computer. TP1. 141.10, 141.10. This is about a 2.1 hour or so. I don't know. And TP2 is a 140.80. 80. That's a let me see. 140.80. That's a 5R, 4.8 R or so. And I'm risking 0.5%, a little less risk, 0.5%. There you go. That's my new VIP trade, guys. Let's wait and see what happens. Gold. Yes, gold. I didn't take that trade. Very beautiful. Now gold has broken with the highs. Let's have a look at what we can have here. Now, I don't know, guys. I don't like the downside in gold anymore. Now I'm gonna look for longs in gold. Longs only. Where? I don't know. I hate the upside in gold, man. The downside in gold. I mean, let's have a fucking look at what happened here. Now, if this is the last sweep of the lows, if this is the last sweep of the lows. I'm sorry. Fuck. You know what? I'm gonna modify all my colors with you here. Oh, I dig it. Can you dig it? I'm sorry. Yeah. So this, my friends, is gold. And I am going to save it as this. Save. Oh shit, I didn't. Stop loss on the trade you sent us is incorrect. Thank you, Tim. Let me see. Oh, shite. Thank you, Tim. 141.43. What the? Yeah, 141.43. Right. Uh-huh. Boom. Uh, all right, so this is the last sweep of the lows. Let's see. Template save as. Save. Yes. Okay. And if that is the last sweep of the lows, then the last or the next. Oh boy. Yeah. Here is where that market changed its character. So now the upside is in play, my friends. More so because I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you what. Hear me out. Right here. Yep. Let me just, you know what? I'm going to save everything right now. So here, you're gonna have to wait. Now, if that is okay, and the confirmation of this particular, change in the character of this market is here with this break of the structure. So the upside is what's what's in play right now. Save as break of structure. Right now, where the hell are we going to get our entries? I don't know. And if we're going to get entries, I don't know. But the upside is what's in play now in gold. That's why I always tell you guys that if you have a trade idea, yeah, I mean, don't just put on the pending orders blindly, and right, because the market can shift from bearish to bullish like this. Right. Thank you for telling me that I fucked up there on the signal. Now the euro yen, nice blue because that's the only one that I'm in play. Now I'm still going to hold that tag on gold and I'm gonna look at the U.S. equities for a second. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. I mean, I'm hating all the moves here. The one that looks very good is actually the this one. What is this? The Dow. Let's have a look at the Russell 2000. Same thing. I mean, Lord, have a look at this. What do you guys think about this? This is kind of insane if you notice. Again, same thing. Bull trap, sweep for the highs here. Bull trap, then brum, sweep for the lows, brum, sweep for the lows, brum. And now, my friends, yeah, we printed or price printed new lower lows, but this is looking very weak. And we do have a ton of liquidity built up here. So, and price is, I mean, comfortably closed with my possible entry. So I am going to put on an alert here on the Dow for possible shorts. That's it. And euro yen. That's the only thing that I am looking for. Yeah, this is very nice. This euro yen setup is quite nice. Let me see. Did I fucked up again? Oh boy, I did fuck up. I'm sorry. Apologies. So, my stop loss is, and I'm still long the pound yen, right? I'm gonna show you that trade. Pretty cool. was it? I don't remember. Stop loss 141.56. Yes. All right. So I'm still long on the pound yen. Pound yen. Yeah, for that swing trade, right? Just have a look at this. This is the trade, right? Yesterday, I have two trades on here. I have one with the VAPs and one with the swing trade group. With the VAPs also a swing trade. It's 400 pips to targets. Um, you know, um, a little high risk in the sense that I have two trades on, so double risk, but it's fine. So yesterday I was up 2% here, and people are asking me, why didn't you take profits there? Why? We were up 2% because, my friends, I mean, you have to trust the process. I have a trading plan, a trading decision. Yeah. Why didn't you take profits if that is what you wanted? This is the 4 hour chart in the same trade. Just have a look at this beautiful trade, right? Nice rejection here at, now I'm not going to show you, but we had a very, very nice imbalance plus order block on the higher time frames here. Yeah, that's why my stop losses were below the structured lows. And that's why I told you guys yesterday that I could have incurred or my trade could have incurred in a little bit of a drawdown. But there you go. There you fucking go. Right. Come on, Euroyana. Break with the highs. Break with the highs. All right, so let's have fun a little bit, right? US dollar, Canadian dollar. Um, Volatile move. Let's see what the F1 strategy yield today. I didn't trade the F1 strategy today myself because I woke up a little late. What was I going to do? I don't remember. I don't remember. Oh, I was going to look at the F1 strategy for today. All right, so I didn't trade the F1 strategy because I woke up a little late. I woke up like at 5:30 a.m. Normally I wake up at 1:30 a.m. But yesterday I had a big hamburger for dinner. That I mean, because I'm diabetic, that kills me, right? Literally. And I didn't hear my alarm, so there you go. Full transparency, right? US dollar, Japanese yen, no trade, no trade, no trade, no trade. This was a possible F1 strategy setup, but this is the US dollar, Canadian dollar. No trade, no trade. This, my friends, what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful F1 strategy setup. A trending market, boom, 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 boom. We got that entry, long, 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 long. Here we have a very nice hit target for about, for exact, no, this is a short position, shit. Long. F1 strategy. Boom, boom, boom. There you go, 1.85R on the Aussie USD F1 strategy. That's too bad that I couldn't take it. But that's fine. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, no trade. Euro NZD, no trade. Euro Swiss franc, no trade. Again, Canadian dollar, Euro Aussie, no trade. Well, all right. So here's a dealio. No trade. No trade. No trade. Euro yen. Oh, there you go. Again, another one. Aussie yen. Oh, I was hunting this one yesterday. God damn it. Uh-huh. So this would have been here. Boom. So this would have been yield the 2.6R. I'm gonna target for quality control. Euro yen. Uh, what happened with the euro yen? Oh damn it! I'm still holding I'm still holding my euro yen whatever, right? Pending order. No trade. No, not trade. No trade. Canadian dollar. It's all kinds of fuck today. This was another trade. The British pound Aussie. So the Aussie was in play today for the F1 strategy. The Aussie was in play for the F1 strategy. So this one, I wouldn't have taken it because of the risk to reward ratio to my target. It's less than 1. But you know what? Just to show you that the Aussie was in play today for the F1 strategy. Now here you go, another Aussie driven trade. And because it was an Aussie driven day, mate, there you go, 1.46R. Here we go. Beautiful. This is the one that I possibly would have traded. Yeah. Aussie CAD, US dollar Mexican peso. You know what? I'm going to delete all the drawings and just think about this. No, I'm not trading the US dollar today. I told you already. What the hell are you talking about? So no trade. No trade. No trading metals today with the F1 strategy. US oil, no trade. No trade. Deutsche DAX, no trade. No trade. Look at this past F1 strategy setup. Yeah. 4R. Beautiful. So yeah, so it was Cadien running in profits for you. That's awesome, mate. That is great. I am not in my euro yen yet. And to me, this is absolutely, this doesn't matter. Right? This is just, again, this liquidity is still very much alive, guys, to me at least. I don't know about you. Yeah, on the 1 minute chart. What the hell was I trading here? Euro yen. So, what happened here, guys? I was trading, I had a 1 minute? Oh, I remember now. Huh, very Shelby. There you go. 2 minute chart. Yes, this is a 1 minute entry, but what is this? This is the middle of the middle point of the London session. So, yeah, what can I say, guys? What can I say? On the 1 minute chart shows liquidity sweep. I don't know if I'll miss my entry or not. Right now, 30 pips to the downside on the euro yen. Yeah, but I have to stay true to my entry model, mates. That's it. Okay, so gold. What did gold do? What did gold do? No, I'm not trading gold anymore. The Dow, very choppy day today, Ajim. Is it a holiday day today? I don't know. Very, very choppy day. I am, however, going to, yes, I think I missed my shorts, guys, because I was looking at some other markets. My shorts on the 1 minute time frames were the mitigation of this order block, right? So I missed my shorts. That's too bad. Right, so here we go. Oh, bearish OB2. If you notice here, that liquidity was stripped. Oh, I mean, this is the thing about doing shows, right? This entry model is so I don't know. Remember that it hit TP1, mate. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. But you know what? Maybe because here's the dealio. We had a bearish breaker here around this level right here. Here's that bearish breaker. That bearish breaker. Then an order block was created here. My entry should have been here. This is the cool thing about this indicator, right? This should have been my entry. About the structure highs for a 3R to first target, 6R to second. So yes, I fucked up because I was on this live show. Um, so I have to delete that order. But I'm gonna wait, you know. I am going to wait. GBP yen. Oh yeah. This is my swing trade on the pound yen. I'll probably hold it. I don't know. It depends on how today closes. You know, hold on. Now, if you're asking about this market in particular, yeah, on the short term, no, I'm holding on to my particular setup. This is just so. This market is just so strong. 3-minute chart. Now, possibly I will be updating it. Just have a look at this. Now, what? Why don't I have this up there? Oh, it was already mitigated. Okay, but we do have an unmitigated fair value gap here. So basically, what I will be doing, I will be moving my short entry here. I like it better. Structure highs. Yeah, could possibly be in a bear trap. Structure highs to those lows. 7R. So modifying my entry. I'm modifying my entry here. Right at the bearish breaker. Right, I dig it. Can you dig it? Liquidity here, and this is my friends, what I call a slam donkey. This on the 5-minute chart, and on the 10-minute chart, and on there's the fair value gap exactly there on the 3-minute chart. Right, so yep. So I'm modifying my entry to get higher on that particular setup. All right. So, any questions? What is my thoughts on crude oil? Well, I don't know. Let's have a look. I'm sorry. Oh man, I don't know. This is so fucked up. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just have a look at this range, this choppy range. I had a possible, let's say, yesterday. Hold on, let me show you. Yesterday, I had a possible short idea here that it didn't play out. No, this. It didn't play out. It didn't play out, but it would have for about 7R, 12R to the lows. But it didn't play out. But I'm saying out of this market, it's too choppy. I mean, untradeable. Short opportunity, I don't see anything. Euro yen. All right, so I'm modifying my entry on the euro yen, guys. On the euro yen, I'm going to the 5 on my here on my MT5, and my entry now is where? Right here, 141.68. Let's see, 141.68. And stop losses above the structure high here 141.86. 86. And the targets, I am going to go all the way to the 140.50. Modify. And it. Think it needs to be a little bit that's been mitigated. So the is yeah. So this is basically a 7R. A 5R on my MT5. I need a little bit more. Pending order. 0.07. Actually, I am going to place my stop loss a little bit higher. 75. All right. Now I am going to copy paste my all right, so here we go. Okay, so my entry 141.68. Can you dig it? All right, what was I saying? I don't remember, guys. It's a what? 6.6.3 R. Yep. It's a 6.1 R. Oh, I don't know, 6.2 R or so. I might ball on it. And my risk is a 0.5%. All right. Much better entry. Okay, so any questions, guys? Or I'm going to log out. I've been live for an hour. So yeah, I'm logging out. Again, thank you for joining me. If you want to join the VIP team, woof. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna give you a link. There you go. That's how the cookie crumbles. You know what? I'm staying a little bit. You're welcome, Niklas. All right. Thank you, Niklas. I don't know. I mean, this is so slow. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now, gold. What the hell is going on with you? Let's have a maybe a 1 minute entry. A little 1 minute entry. Bullish three. Yeah, I don't know. I would be interested in entering the 1926. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. Five, foolish, two. So here's pretty much where I'm looking for 126, 66, 66, 66. Let's have a look at this. I do have to confirm my order block. Looking at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, 126.55. This is very good. 126.55 with stop losses below the structured low. Very tight stop losses, if you ask me. Long position would be here. Very tight stop losses. Here. 8R, just to be safe. Yeah, this is a possibility in gold, mates. But woo, oh man, super slow day. Oh, there's absolutely nothing to do here. I mean, and the reason is because because of the U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar is in just such a crappy range right now. I mean, it broke with the lows, right? We had that boom, U.S. dollar drop. Oh, maybe it's the U.S. dollar stripping the lows. Maybe we could, maybe we're going to have that fucking rally on the USD. Let's look for U.S. dollar fucking longs. I mean, scratch fucking this. If we're looking for US dollar longs, maybe what I would have to do is look for shorts here on this market. With this market meaning gold. Maybe this is the thing that I wanna do. Yup. Bearish breaker. We have a very clear break here on the lows. I don't know. Let's wait and see what happens because this is quite interesting here on the DXY. Let's look at the hourly on the DXY. Woof. It's up with the previous lows. Yeah. Most definitely looking for longs on the USD. Let's have a look at the US dollar markets that I trade, my friends. Meaning gold is one, of course, and we're going to go to the 10-minute chart. I'm sorry. Pound, USD, shorts, missed. USD CAD, not trading the USD CAD. Oh, interesting Euro US dollar here. Interesting, very interesting Euro USD here. Now, if we go to the 3-minute chart, let's see if we can find an entry here on the USD. 1-minute chart, I'm sorry. I don't know. Nothing, I'll see US dollar, euro, US dollar, Mexican peso. Nope. The Euro USD is the one that might play. Oh boy, just crashed. It just crashed. Gold should be doing the same. Yeah. So we do have a 1 minute. You know what? I'm going to delete this indicator. I'm going to do this manually with you, right? I'm going to do this manually with you guys, just so you see what I'm talking about when I say order blocks. So this, of course, is my order block. always look for that, bullish candle before the drop, right? The order block goes from the open of the candle to the highs of the candle. Yeah, I'm gonna go through that, Tim. Hold on. Open the candle, high of the candle. So that's my order block right here. My bearish order block. My bearish order fucking block. Now let's modify this a little bit. I want to make it as as neutral as possible. Background, no background. Extend right, no extend right. Style on the borders. Opacity. I want it black. Yep. And OB. Right. So that's my order block. Right here. This is my order block. Now I'm going to place this short in gold. This is my order block, guys. Right now, this is the 1 minute chart in gold. Let's just delete all of this. Now, if this is the last sweep of the highs, again, if this is the last sweep of the highs, you know what? I'm going to record this for my VIPs, right? Because I think that this could be, in fact, be very, very educational. Where's my OBS? Right here. All right, traders. So I'm going to talk about a possible short in gold that I'm looking at here. First of all, I need to look for that order block that created the break of the structure. This is the order block I'm talking about, that last bullish candle before the actual break of the structure. This is my order block, right? This is the order block that I need to be mitigated in order for me to take those shorts. Now, if this is the last sweep of the highs, if this is the last sweep of the highs, right, then I am looking at this last higher low as the change in the character in this market, right here, right? Looking for shorts only at the moment. Now, so not only that, but if this is the our actual bearish breaker, right? The liquidity that we are looking to get stripped is this one right here. So very possibly what I will be looking for is a strip of this liquidity, a mitigation of this order block, and then a drop to the downside, meaning that I will be placing this short right here just below my order block with a stop losses above the structure high right here, and my target would be the lows at around the 124 level for a 6.6 R. Right, so I'm gonna place this short in gold, mates. I'm still holding that euro yen shorts, but hold the fuck on. I am going to place gold. All right, so time frames. Hold on, let me just look at the properties on this chart. Getting rid of the grid. Boom, boom. I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame in gold, and here is 1933. I'm taking a 1933 entry with a 1934.60 stop loss. Trading. So it's a pending order on a sell limit 1933. Oh boy, 0.03. 1933. What? 1933. Wow, 1933. That's my entry. 1933. Stop losses above the structure high. 1934.60. 1934.60. And my TP. Let's look at the higher time frames liquidity. Yeah, I mean, I could even target the lows of the move, but I am good with the 1944 level. So it's what? 1924 place. I'm gonna risk 0.5%. I'm gonna send this to my VIPs. Damn it. Sell limit it's at the 1933. Stop loss at the 1934.60, 1934.60, and the TP is at the 1924. 24. This gives me a what? 96. 5.5 R. That's nice. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna send that video also. Gold thought process. All right, so that's my trade. You're welcome if you're not a VIP. I'm going to record that um, the euro yen thought process. I'll probably on the 10-minute chart, right? So here. I'll probably delete my euro yen, to be completely honest with you. I'm just not in love with it. Depends when and if I get triggered in gold shorts, then I will, however, look for that. There you go. Mitigate me. If I get triggered short in gold, I will delete that euro yen. Uh-huh. There you go. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna log off. Being live for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Thank you for joining me, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.